In this video, we will learn that how you can divide the numbers in Microsoft Excel. Now, these are the numbers. Now we can use here the formula for division. For this, you can write is equal to sum into, select this one, and now here you can use the divide. Slash this one, and now have you seen? Now select the same formula and drag it to here. Like this, you can divide the numbers in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching this video. The other things will be discussed in the next video. Thank you. Kindly subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.